3 seconds to teach you how to make this bonfire special effect. First, record a stretching animation. Then open VideoAE. Click Make Video to enter the production page. First, import the video you just recorded. Preview and stop playing when the character as palm is open. Click the plus sign to add resource. Select video material. You can see the flame material in the new category. Download it and use it. It may take a while to download for the first time. Then find the blend button in the tools in the lower left corner and select a suitable special effect, such as lighten. Return to the page. Directly drag the layer to move the position to change the size of the flame. Or click Adjust to slowly adjust the position and size of the flame. Then preview the video until the flame is put away and pause playback. Find the partition button in the tools in the lower left corner. At this time, the redundant part of the flame will be divided. Click the delete button to delete the redundant content. Such a bonfire effect is ready. Come and try it.